In this video, we are going to see how we can copy a location link in Google Maps so that if you want to share it with someone, here's how you can easily do it. So first of all, just locate that restaurant, that particular location, that particular area, whatever you want to share. Let's say that this is Gaseous Restaurant. Let's click on this. It will immediately drop a pin and open up all the details about it. And here we have different buttons like direction, availability, call, save, share. So if you start scrolling towards right, you get this share option. Just click on that and immediately you will notice that a link is created at the top. You can copy that link or you can share that directly on WhatsApp. I'll share it with myself, and if you want to follow that link or anyone wants to follow that link, it's pretty simple. Just click on that link. It will open that for you and you just click on the directions. Let me just close that altogether so that you can see it from the starting. So just click on this and you will immediately get this. You hit on the directions. It's already set to the map in the destinations. You just head to your current location and start following the route.
Head
Click on
towards
start.
Street 5.
Click on start. And that is how you do it.
In 5.
I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.